Assalamualaikum dear student. I hope you enjoy the Eid and now let's start the study now. This is my 7th video. In this video we will learn about the page number 12 and 13. The topic was sound of C and where do you wear and use. Before starting the work, now we review the page number 1. What we learned about on page number 1, it was parts of speech. On page number 2, proper noun, exercises of noun, and some more nouns we learned about the page number on page number 4, and on page number 5 was sound of Y, and page number 6 was recipe of vegetable salad. Page number 7 was your homework. We have told about this. Page number 8, the noun gender. The exercises were 9 and 10 page. Now we had finished the page number 1 to 10. Page number 11 we will start sound of. This is your index. Now fill page number 11 and 12. Mention the date on date column. Student, today we learn something very interesting in this video. Everyone has to learn the words that come from C alphabet. But guys know that C sound, which is divided into two types, soft sound and hard sound. Consonant C has two sounds. Can has hard C and sound I has soft C. Sound words of C are followed by a E, I and Y, usually have the soft C sound. Initially we learned from the C sound change into Ka as cat, coat, but whenever I, E, Y comes after C, its sound will be changed in Sa, which means soft sound. You can see on the screen we have two type of sound. The first sound is soft C and second hard C. In here, soft C, for example, city, pencil and circle, and hard C sound car, cat, calf, camel, and etc. etc. Now you can understand easily like this. आपको कब सी को का पढ़ना है और सी को एस पढ़ना है. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि सी के टू साउंड होते हैं, सॉफ्ट सी एंड हार्ड सी. सी साउंड स्कूल में जनरली सी का हार्ड साउंड ही सिखाया जाता है, यानी कि लाइक ए का, कोन, कॉफी, कैरेट. बट कुछ वर्ड ऐसे होते हैं जब हम सी को एस पढ़ते हैं, वो कौन सा रूल अप्लाई हम करें जब सी को एस पढ़ें, ये आइडेंटिफाई करना कैसे हम लोग सीखते हैं. पहले रूल देखिए, सी के बाद अगर आई, ई या वाई आप देखें तो सी को एस पढ़ लीजिए. जैसे सिटी, सीमेंट और साइकिल. सी के बाद आई आया है या सी के बाद ई आया है या सी के बाद वाई आया है, तो इसको सा का प्रोनाउंसिएशन देंगे। सिटी, साइकिल, सेंटर, इन तीनों एग्जाम्पल में सी वाई, सी आई या सी ई आ रहा है। इनके अलावा आप सी को हार्ड साउंड का प्रोनाउंसिएशन देंगे। आई होप यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंड। Now you do the work without wasting any time. Let's start the work. This is a page number 11. You see on the page number 11, consonant C has two sound, can has hard C sound, eyes has soft C sound. Word of C are followed by E, I and Y usually have the soft C sound. I have given the explanation before. Now you will start the exercise. The question is, make separate list of soft and hard sound of C from the following words. In exam you can do like this. Here are the some word bank given and now you can find out separate. Here are some sound of C and sa. Now I read it, you can find separate. Cube, car, race, city, cane, cone, cage, pencil, cot, cube, rice, face, cup, cat, coin, calf, century, creep, cure, custom, concealed, courage, care, crystal, cunning, cold, clean, clever, scum, cruel, craft, crime, crew, crop, cell, circle and cement. Now here we divide the soft sound of C and hard sound of C. Here is city, race, pencil, rice, face, cement and circle and cell. This is the soft sound of C. Now hard sound what are? Cube, car, cane, cone, cage, cot, cup, cat, coin, calf, cum, creep, cure, cruel, customs, conceal, courage, care, crystal, cunning, cold and clean. These are hard sound. Now I hope you will understand. Only one thing you will remember, whenever we use S sound, it means C sound, it will be vowel E, I and Y. अगर लेटर के बाद आ रहा है तो हमारा C का साउंड S हो जाएगा और अदरवाइज आपका C का साउंड का होगा. तो I hope you will understand this easily. Now you will do your work with the help of pencil. Work should be very carefully. Your work should be done very carefully and writing should be very attractive. I have seen your writing was very good. Okay, now complete your work. Now in English grammar, page number is 12. This is the page number about the dresses, where we use and why we use the dresses. It protects our body from heat and dust. Clothes protects us from different types of weather, and clothes protect us from getting hurt easily. Clothes make us nice. Here are some clothes, and on the exercise we can see where we use. Here is the exercise number 1. Write the body parts where these things are used. These are the dresses name is given. I read 1. Trouser, jean, skirt, shalwar. The answer is leg. Number 2, shoes, socks, sandal. What is the answer? The answer is foot. Number 3, shirt, frocks, blouse. Answer is on chest. Number 4, scarf, cap and hat. What is the answer? The answer is head. Number 5, bangles, bracelet, wristwatch. What is the answer? The answer is wrist. Number 6, necklace and tie. Where we use? We use on our neck. Number 7, earring tops. Where we use? We use on ear. Okay. Number 8, spectacles, blindfold, contact lens. Answer should be eye. Number 9, rings. Tell me what the answer is. Finger. Number 10, clips, hairband. You know, the answer is hair. 11, gloves. Where we use? Will be use on our hand. Anklet. Have you seen an anklet? The answer should be ankle. Okay, number 13, medals, badges. Where? Answer should be on shoulder. Number 14 is, and last one, belt. Where we use? On waist. Have you get it? Here is the exercise number 2. Fill the body parts. This is the story. First, I want to read the story. Then you can fill with the help of pencil. My auntie is fashionable lady. This is the story of auntie. She is fond of wearing necklace in her dash what? Neck. Usually she wears pant and shirt on dash body and leg. It is also in the dash. She does not like wearing bangles in her wrist. Wrist, this is a dash, and anklet in her dash ankle, but she uses clip in her dash hairs. There is no hole in her dash ear. She likes high heel sandals in her dash foot. She uses gloves in her hand dash is hand at the time of driving. This is the exercise number 1 and exercise number 2 has finished now. Now you do the work. First part is over now. Hello. This is my 7th of English language video part 2. I started from on my first video. The topic was noun, types of noun, exercises of noun, classifying of noun, the noun, gender, and today we will learn the noun number. Here are the rules. The new topic is noun numbers. This is a noun in number. We want to describe the singular and plural. Here are some singular: book, box, mango, boy, city, thief, roof, proof, child, and dozen. In plural, books, boxes, mangoes, boys, cities, thieves, roofs, proofs, children, and dozen. Here are some plurals whenever something change in other and other, just like a book. Usually we can use talk about the make a plural form of a noun, simply added letter s. You can say books to the end of. Generally we use with singular to make plural. Chair, chairs for example. And somewhere if the singular noun ends with s, double s, sha, cha, x and z, you can use the es. Box, boxes. If the singular noun ends with the letter o, adds es, you can know mango, mangoes. Whenever if the singular noun ends y with and the letter before y is a vowel, add s to make it plural. Boy, boys. If the singular noun ends with y and the letter before y is consonant, change y in I, add es. Example, city, y will be changed ies. If the singular noun ends with f or fe or fe is often changed to ves. Here is thief, change will be ves, thieves. In some nouns will not be written after f, it will write the, for example, roofs, proofs. In here, sometime change the vowel I, E, I, O, U to make a noun plural. Here is dozen. Children, these are, dozen will not be changed. In when we will write the plural, we can write the as, singular and plural are the same. And some nouns will not be changed, just like a sheep and other one you can give in the exercise. You can see on the exercise. Now we will start the exercise now. Student, look on page number 13, the noun number. The definition I want to explain here. A noun that denotes one person or thing is said to be in the singular number. Example, book, bag, girl, student, etc. A noun that denotes more than one person or thing is said to be in the plural number. Example, books, bags, girls. I had told you. Now, how are plural formed? Now we talk about the to make a plural form of a noun, simply add letter s. Here are the exercise. Generally we use with singular to make plural. Only you can add the s. Here singular is apple and the plural is apples. Book, books. Car, cars. Cow, cows. Singular, plural. Day, days. Okay, now look. If the singular noun ends with s, double s, sh, sha, ch, cha, x and z. Box, plural was boxes. Bush, bushes. Buffalo, buffaloes. Brush, brushes. Branch, branches. Class, classes. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. glass, glasses, church, churches, dish, dishes, dress, dresses, hero, heroes, echo, echoes, mango, mangoes, match, matches, tax, taxes, watch, watches. Now next exercise is if the singular noun ends with y and the letter before y is consonant, change y in I, add es. Look, when any noun ends with y and not followed by vowels, if y is followed by vowel only, s is added to make plural. Remove y and add ies. It means I will be changed in plural, y will be changed in plural. IES, you can add only IES. Look on the screen, the exercise is here. Whenever y, army, armies, baby, babies, battery, batteries, body, bodies, city, cities, cherry, cherries, fly, flies, lady, ladies, lorry, lorries, pony, ponies, story, stories, factory and factories. Look, y will be changed into IES. I hope you get it. Next exercise. If the singular noun ends with f or fe, f or is often changed to ves. It means that your singular is after last letter was f, last letter will be changed into ves. This is the other one rules. Calf, calves, half, halves, knife, knives, life, lives, leaf, leaves, leaf, leaf, loaves, self, selves, shelf, shelves, chef, chefs, thief, thieves, wife, wives, wolf, wolves. Now we go on next exercise. A few nouns form their plural by changing inside vowel the singular or with a complete different spelling. Here are some different singular you can see on the screen. Child will be changed into children. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Louse, lice. Man, men. Mouse, mice. Ox, oxen. Tooth, teeth. Woman, woman, woman. Brother, brethren. Here are the some more plurals. Now the exercise page number. Now the page number is 14 is finished. Now we will go on page number 15. Here are some different plurals of following singular. You can write here exercise number 1. Write the plurals. Gun, guns. Socks, socks. Bush, bushes. Mango, mangoes. Dish, dishes. Cherry, cherries. Army, armies. Life, lives. Fly, flies. Louse, lice. Tooth, teeth. House, houses. Spoon, spoons. Buffalo, buffaloes. Watch, watches. Echo, echoes. Lorry, lorries. Wolf, wolves. Body, bodies. Mouse, mice. Foot, feet. Self, selves. Here are some different type of singular. You can see on the screen different types of plurals. Here are every categories of plural on the screen. You can see and learn and do the work. Okay, now next exercise and last and next exercise. Okay, a student of class 3. Now look, the last exercise is sentences. We have done the words, a singular word will be changed on plural word, but here is the some singular sentence you can change in plural. Here is example: my brother is a good student. My brothers are good students. Number 1 sentence: he is an actor. They are actors. Number 2, the landlord is very cruel. Landlords are very cruel. Number 3, the baby is afraid of mouse. Babies are afraid of mice. Number 4, the knife is sharp. Knives are sharp. This dog is hungry. This will be changed on plural. These dogs are hungry. The ox is fighting. Oxen are fighting. Number 7, this pant is too loose. These pants are too loose. That is a lion. Those are lions. Number 9, monkey is playing with the child. Monkeys are playing with children. Last sentence is, there is a plate in a tray. These are plates in tray. Now the noun number exercises are finished. You can complete your work with the help of pencil. I am telling again and again, please don't write in the color pencil. You can underline only color pencil. The color will be blue. Here is, this is the end of video. Now I am sure this video will be helpful to you. Talk to you later. I will meet you on my next video, video number 8. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.